As you can see, we are getting this draft functionality here. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss draft in RESTful application programming. Okay, so what is draft? Draft is a key feature in enterprise applications enabling stateless user experience within an otherwise stateless architecture. Okay, so what that means, whenever we are using an RAP application, okay, so this draft feature allow us to save our progress. So for example, if we are working on an application and due to some reason, for example due to low battery, our system got shut down. So in that case, when we relog in our system and open our application, we can start from the point where we left. Okay, so it save the state of our application. Okay, allows users to save and manage intermediate data in the SAP system before final activation. Okay, so we can save the intermediate data. It's like a temporary collector of data. Supports real-time validation during data entry, improving data quality and user experience. It also enhances the collaboration by enabling user to work on incomplete business object and continue later. Facilitates seamless device switching, allowing user to resume their work from another device without losing the progress. Improves overall application flexibility by maintaining the current state of business transaction. Alright. In RAP, the draft feature is commonly used to support, create, update and delete operations with a better user experience. It enables user to work with business objects safely before committing the changes to active data. So the chances of losing our progress will be removed if we use the draft feature in RAP. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's see this in practical. Let's add draft feature in our behavior definition. Okay, this is our draft feature. Also, let's add the draft table, and also we need to provide the draft table name. Draft table ZHA SA travel. Okay, let's use quick fix to create the table. Click on finish. So this is our draft table which is created. Let's save and activate. Alright, we also need to add the draft for our booking association. So yeah, let's do that with draft. Let's add draft for our booking entity. Draft table ZHA SA D booking. We also need to create this table using the quick fix. Click next, click on finish. So this is our booking table. Let's save and activate. We also need to add the draft logic for the booking supplement entity. Let's do that. First of all, let's add the draft feature in the booking supplement association. Okay, with draft, let's add the draft table in the booking supplement. Draft table ZHA SA booking. Alright, let's use the quick fix feature to create the booking supplement draft table. Let's create this table using quick fix. Click on next, click finish. So this is our booking supplement table. Let's activate it. Let's try to activate it. With draft is used a flag total tag field. Okay, this total tag field we need to add. If with draft is used with strict, there must be explicit definition for edit. Okay, if this is used, then we need to have the action resume. Same for prepare. Okay, so yeah, let's add these requirements. First of all, we need to add one total tag field. All right, total e tag last changed at. So this is one of the requirement, and also we need to add the actions here. Okay, let's add the required actions. Draft, determine action, prepare. Draft action, edit. Draft action, resume. Draft action, activate. Draft action, discard. So these actions we need to define because these are mandatory if we use draft in our behavior definition. Alright, so we can add the logic for this as well, but for the time being we will keep it as it is. Let's try to save and activate. So yeah, our behavior definition is activated successfully. Let's add the draft logic in our projection behavior definition as well. Okay, let's go to projection behavior definition. So yeah, we have opened our projection behavior definition and we need to add draft logic here as well. Use drafts. Use draft. Okay, so here in projection view we need to write use draft. Okay, but in the main behavior definition we added the with draft statement. Okay, so here in projection view it will use from the main behavior definition. Alright, let's add the actions as well. So here also we need to write the use keyword in the projection behavior definition. Okay, so here in association we need to write with draft. Same with the other associations as well. With draft. With draft. Let's add the draft in the booking supplement associations as well. With draft. Alright, let's save and activate. Okay, let's run our application. Right click, open Fiori element app preview. Click on go. Alright. As you can see, we are getting here draft related status. Okay, so if we have any draft, then we can check that by clicking on draft status. So right now we are just trying to test this functionality, so we will come back here later. Let's try to edit a travel request. Alright, click on edit. As you can see, we are getting this draft functionality here. So we are successful in adding the drafts. Alright, so here also we are getting two versions, saved version and draft version. Alright, let's try to change the booking fee. For example, I'm keeping it as 800 and as you can see, drafts are updated. Okay, so now for example, if I close it to check if our drafts are saved or not, let's close it. Let's relaunch the application. Okay, let's click on draft. Click on go, and yeah, as you can see, draft is available here. Alright, so that's how our testing is successful, and we can see the draft is still here even though I close the application. That's it for this video. We will continue in the upcoming videos. Till then, bye bye, thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe this channel for such informational content. Thank you.